Now, new developments in the Idaho college murders case. Defense attorneys are challenging key evidence that they say was improperly obtained by police, including search warrants and DNA. Kana Whitworth joins us now with the latest. Good morning to you, Kana.
Yeah, Robin, good morning. So these are sweeping challenges that center around the investigative genetic genealogy and how authorities linked Kohberger to the crime in the first place, as well as his dramatic arrest in the dead of night, despite weeks of surveillance where they say he was seen unarmed.
This morning, new court filings from Brian Kohberger's defense team depict a chaotic night when the former Ph.D. student was arrested at his parents' home in Pennsylvania. His lawyers claim during the raid, law enforcement broke the front door of the home, shattered the sliding glass door of the basement, and held the entire family at gunpoint, and that with his hands tied and surrounded by police at gunpoint, Kohberger made statements to his arresting officers. Despite not having his rights read to him, they want those statements thrown out, along with other key pieces of evidence lead defense attorney Ann Taylor argues were illegally gathered by law enforcement using his genetic information. Authorities linking Kohberger to the crime after they say they found DNA that was a statistical match on the button strap of a knife sheath at the crime scene, where Xana Kernodle, Kaylee Gonsalves, Madison Mogan, and Ethan Chapin were found stabbed to death.
When law enforcement uses that positive match and then says, well, we need to go and get a search warrant because we have a positive match for Brian Kohberger, that the DNA evidence is tainted and anything comes from it is fruit from a poisonous tree.
The defense, who says Kohberger is innocent, claiming without that genetic information, there could have been no request for his phone records, which prosecutors also say implicate Kohberger. Taylor also challenging the way authorities gathered search warrants, especially pertaining to the search of Kohberger's car, a white Hyundai Elantra, as well as his Apple and Amazon accounts.
Now, Taylor says the warrants lacked probable cause. Now, this trial is set for August, but we're also still awaiting the judge's decision on the defense's request to have the death penalty taken off the table. Guys.
Still so much up in the air there. Okay, Kana, thank you.